So I put a poll, pretty much a poll on my IG stories about a week or two ago, and I asked y'all's opinion on which golf shoe I should buy because recently I've been into it and I finally received my product. Oh, this box looks super clean. So this, what? It's waterproof. Okay, I'm so happy because I bought these for 80 bucks. They were on sale and I also got a 20% off military discount. Ooh. But this shoe is what I ended up with. Ba-da-ba. Oh my gosh, check it out. I'm gonna see if it fits. Look at that cute golf. I hope this fits, I hope this fits, I hope this fits. This is the Jordan ADG. This is super sick. I hope it fits, I hope it fits, I hope it fits. Oh, it fits. Size 7, I'm a size 7. Hey, 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 hey. These are so cute. Ooh. I don't have, well, I actually have one pair of Jordans, but they're kids' shoes. Oh my gosh. The bottom part has these, it's supposed to be spikeless, and these are actually really sturdy. Oh my gosh. I just want to wear these, like, normally now. What do y'all think? Huh?